Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix mobile data problem in your Xiaomi smartphone. So let's start the video friends. Firstly, you have to open your airplane mode for 10 seconds at least. It will refresh your network and then just turn it off. And then basically you have to open your settings to refresh your networks to get some speed. So click on search right here, reset this mobile data from here, enable the password, and now it's done. You can see it is the network settings has been reset successfully. Now you can freely use your smartphone. If it is does not work, you have to remove your SIM card, then put in, and then you have to restart your device. It will be fixed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.